Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will explain to you how to download and install Office 2021 for free using the official method. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell. First, if there is another version of Office installed on Windows, you must uninstall it before starting. Well, let's get started. We will go to Partition C and create a folder and name it Office 2021. After that, we will go to Google and search for Office Deployment Tool. We will go to the first link. Then we click on Download. Then we go to the tool's download location. Right-click on the tool and select Run as Administrator. If a window appears, click Yes. This window will appear. We check the box and click Continue. Here I will select the Office folder that I created to extract the tool files into. The tool files were successfully extracted. I will now go to the Office folder that I created on Partition C. I will find these two files. I will now delete this file. Now we'll go to Google again and search for Office Customization Tool. We will go to the first link. Here I will specify whether to download Office programs using a 32-bit or 64-bit architecture. To determine which option to choose, we will right-click onto this PC icon. Then we click on Properties. Through System Type, we will ensure that we are working on a 64-bit system. We will click here to select the version of Office we will download. Here we will choose Office LTSC Professional Plus 2021, Volume License. Now we scroll down. Here we will select the Office programs we want to download. As for me, I will download Word, Excel, Access, and PowerPoint. Then I will click on Next. Next, we will select the language of the Office programs. Here I will choose the United States English language. Then I will click on Next. I will disable this option because I don't have any other versions of Office installed on Windows. Then I will click on Next. Here I will press Finish. Next, I will click on Export. Here I will choose Office Open XML formats. Here I will check this box. Do not change this name. Now click on Export. We will now go to the file download location. We will move this file to the Office folder that we created on Partition C. We will now click here to get the file path. Now we copy the file path. Next, we will go to Windows Search and type CMD. Then right-click and select Run as Administrator. Here we will type CD followed by a space, then press Ctrl+V to paste the file path. Then we press Enter. There is a command that we will copy and paste here to begin the process of downloading and installing Office programs. You will find this command in the description box. Then we press Enter. The process of downloading and installing Office programs will now begin, and the time it takes depends on your internet speed. The process of downloading and installing Office programs has been completed. Now I will click on the Windows logo to preview the downloaded Office programs. As you can see, the selected Office programs have been installed. Let's run the Access program. Here I will click on Accept. If you have a genuine serial key to activate Office, all you have to do is click on the File menu. Then we click on Account. Here we click on Change Product Key. Here you can add the serial number. At the end of the video you will find a playlist containing all the Office tutorials. If you like the video, click like and subscribe to my channel to encourage me to provide everything new.